Hey, so today we're gonna make a chicken fiesta casserole. It's one of my family favorites. The kids love it. It's comfort food, but has great taste. It's great to make ahead. I know this looks like a lot, but it's really not, and it comes together quite easy. So what you need to make this casserole is a rotisserie chicken, green onions, cilantro, a white onion, corn tortillas, salsa verde, milk, great northern beans, Mexican blend, although you can use cheddar or whatever you want, chili powder, cayenne, cumin, and some garlic salt. So we are all prepped. I've shredded all the meat from the chicken. I've cut up the onion. I've got my spices together here. Oh, you can see it's 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. And then we'll add in a little cayenne. But we'll start with a hot pan in our onion. Let that sweat down real well. Onions have sweat down a little bit, so we're going to add our beans. And it's important with the beans to make sure you rinse them and drain them really well. We're going to add our seasoning. Give it a little extra heat with the cayenne. And let all those flavors kind of blend together. We're just kind of cooking the beans till they're cooked through. Helps to soften them up. Beans and onions are cooked through, so at the very end we add some of the green onions. Give that a good stir. And then we're going to add this mixture to our rotisserie chicken meat. So over here we've got our rotisserie chicken meat that I took off the bone, our cheese blend, corn tortillas, and a covered casserole. The casserole, I did go ahead and butter it. I like to use butter. I just think it's simple. If you don't have a covered casserole, just use a Pyrex pan or something. You can always cover it with foil. But we're gonna add the bean mixture to our chicken. I'm just gonna give it a good stir, blend all of that together. And then we're going to start layering our Fiesta casserole. All right, to layer this casserole, it's really easy. You take your corn tortillas and just kind of overlap them. And then you add half of the chicken mixture. Spread it around. Cover that with some cheese. And then we repeat. So then we've got our second layer of tortillas. We're going to add the remainder of the chicken, bean and onion. Just kind of spread that out. More cheese. And top it with a last layer of corn tortilla. The Fiesta casserole is all layered and ready to go. Now we make the sauce. And to make this sauce, we use a blender. Any kind of blender will do. I love my Vitamix. A whole jar of salsa verde. 1 cup of milk. And a bunch of cilantro. We love cilantro. Put it all in there. Let it go. Pour this all over the prepared casserole. It smells so good. Now we just cover it, put it in the oven, good 35 minutes, and then we take it out and add the additional cheese on top and let it cook until that's just bubbly. Okay, timer's going, so casserole should be just about done. We're gonna take it out, uncover it, add some cheese, and then put it back in. Oh, that looks good. At this point, you could add black olives if you like. You could add jalapenos. You could add ghost peppers if you wanted to get crazy. I don't know. Just put it all in. It's gonna be a lot of cheese. Okay, back in it goes uncovered for about 5-10 more minutes until that cheese is melted and bubbly. Sounds like it's ready. Let's take a peek. Looks bubbly, looks good to me. There you have Fiesta chicken casserole. Dinner tonight.